breakfast করছি cornflakes and banana, which is healthy for a COVID patient, I guess. So কোভিডের জন্য তো বাইরে বেরোতে পারছি না, বাট দরকারের জিনিসগুলো আনতে হবে, রাইট? সো বিকজ উই শুড টেক কেয়ার অফ আওয়ার স্কিন, হেয়ার অ্যান্ড এভরিথিং। এতদিন মাঝখানে কিছু করতে পারিনি, বাট নাও আবার করতে হবে। সো 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 এখন তো ইনফ্যাক্ট আমার স্কিনকে এক্সট্রা প্যাম্পার করা উচিত, বিকজ আমার স্কিন, চুল সব খুব বাজে অবস্থায় আছে। ইনফ্যাক্ট আমার নিজের ওয়েট প্রচণ্ড লুজ হয়ে গেছে। So that's why I've ordered a package from Purple. The package is worth 583 rupees, and today it is arriving. So we'll unbox it together and give you a Purple shopping haul. Okay?
A few moments later.
আমার প্যাকেজ এসে গেছে, আমি টাকাটা বাইরে চাপা রাখতে যাচ্ছি, আর দাদাকে বলেছি যে আমি ঢুকে গেলে বাইরে প্যাকেজটা রেখে দিতে, আমি পিক আপ করে নেব। সো লেটস ডু দিস। নো কন্ট্যাক্ট ডেলিভারি, রাইট?
At 3 a.m.
So guys, finally I got the package and the change, and now I'm gonna sanitize this package and go to bath. চান করে এসে তোমাদের দেখাচ্ছি আমি কি কি আছে।
An eternity later.
আমার স্নান হয়ে গেছে কমপ্লিট। I have come and now we're gonna unbox this, and I know আমি খুব বেকার ড্রেস আপে আছি, বাট ইউ নো গাইস, যে কোভিডের সময় এর থেকে বেশি সম্ভব না। সো ইয়া, আমার লিটারালি হাঁটতে মাথা ঘুরছে। সো লেটস আনবক্স দিস অ্যান্ড লেট মি টেল ইউ সামথিং। সো আমাদের একটা অফার চলছিল যখন আমি নিয়েছি প্রোডাক্টটা, যে এলাইট প্রোডাক্টস, এনি এলাইট প্রোডাক্টস, নো নট এনি এলাইট প্রোডাক্টস, গুড ভাইবসের তুমি যদি ₹499 or more এর শপিং করো, then you will get a gift worth ₹315 or 20, something like that. So I shopped for 583 rupees, তার মধ্যে 499 এর বেশি, I guess 523 rupees was Elite products. So let's see. I opened the box and like I love Purple ka packaging, you know guys, কারণ কি এত সুন্দর করে প্রত্যেকটা প্রোডাক্ট প্যাক করে, and moreover I'm very happy with the delivery service, because within 2 days of ordering I got all the products, which is great. And yeah, so the first product is, okay, this is tough to open. This is, you should like sit with a pair of scissors, which I should, I guess, bring right now. Okay, later, my nails are enough. Got it. I like to do this with the bubble wrap. I love these bubble wraps. Okay, so first is this honey gel. Its price is ₹175, and I have never used this honey gel. I have always used the orange one. Let me smell this one. I have 2 tubs of the orange one, I've used it so many times. Now I wanted just to test this honey one. Wow, it smells nice. It smells really nice, but it doesn't have any honey smell, you know. It doesn't smell like honey, but it smells very nice. and I think this one is better for dry skin, better than the orange one for dry skin, because this has a more thick gel quantity. But like if you have got an oily skin, definitely go for the orange one. I've not tried the other gels. Okay, this is the orange rind of Good Vibes. I just love this one. I'm like in love with this one. You can use it on your hair, you can use it as your face mask, you can use it as scrub. I use this as my body scrub. Okay, so I use it with some yogurt or sometimes toner. I have this Good Vibes or pomegranate toner. With it I use it, or sometimes with plain water only. I just make a mixture and then scrub my skin with it, and it's like awesome. So this one's great. I highly recommend this one. Now I got this Manuka Honey Skin Lightening Sheet Mask. So this is great, though this doesn't smell good, but this is great for your skin if your skin is very dry. So use this one. This is great. I used this already. Now the other products. Okay, I forgot to say the prices, right? This one is what it is, 35 grams, and its price is, I remember it was like after discount I got it in rupees 81, and this one is of rupees 99, but I got it in rupees 91. Open the other stuff. Okay, there is this Banana Shine Conditioner. So I am in love with this conditioner. Like, it has improved my hair so much. I have used already a bottle of this conditioner. Like, I never fell in love with any conditioner like this. So I really recommend, highly recommend this banana conditioner of Good Vibes. Please use this, guys. Next I have this non-elite product. Okay, I forgot to say the price. Okay, banana conditioner is worth 195 rupees, but I got it in 175 rupees. Okay, purple. Okay. So the next product is the non-elite product, that is Everyuth Ka Natural Glow Orange Peel Off Mask. So I have never used this one. I have never ever used this one. In fact, I have never used Everyuth. Okay, once only. It smells nice. Once only I used this Everyuth Ka Walnut Scrub, which didn't suit my skin. But then after that, I never used it. But recently I got very good reviews of Everyuth peel off masks from all the YouTubers. So and they were all reviewing the gold mask. Okay, then, but anything with gold doesn't suit my skin because most of them have this bleach. But then I thought, let me use this orange peel off mask, because orange always suits my skin, and like I really wanna use this one and try this one and review this one. So I bought this one, and this is only for rupees 60. This is 50 gram of the product, and yeah, I will obviously review this one later in some other video. Okay. And the next and the last product, which is the free product, which I got from this shopping and all. This is its price is rupees 320. Like, wow, I shopped for rupees 583 and they gave me a product worth rupees 320 just for free, and this is great. Like, I love this thing. This is the Banana Shine Shampoo, and it's like huge quantity. What's the quantity? One sec. What's the quantity? Okay, sorry, I can't find the quantity. Oh, 300 ml. It's 300 ml. Wow, it's 300 ml. So I have never used this Banana Shine shampoo. I have always used Good Vibes pomegranate and ginger shampoo, and it's great. But now, because this banana conditioner suits me so much, and I really wanted to use the Banana Shine shampoo, so I ordered, so I chose this as my free gift. So thank you, Good Vibes. And the best part is you can choose your free gift. There are like 4-5 options among which you can choose your free gift. That's great, right? That's crazy. So I think Purple, thank you. I've got a lot many things in rupees 583, and it's actually great. Now I would use all of these, and I would obviously review the natural glow orange peel of mask, this banana shampoo, and if you guys comment down below, then I'll also review this honey one. But I already like it because my hands are feeling soft after using this. My lips is feeling soft, so I think it's nice and very good, thick texture it has. So yeah, so bye guys, pamper yourselves, keep pampering yourself, beauties. And yeah, I love you guys, meet you soon.